This entire animated portfolio website was made by Claude Fable 5, which is the Claude's latest and most strongest model. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did that step by step. Plus all the prompts I used to build this website are in the description, completely free, so you can follow along easily. Now let's get into it. This video is sponsored by Flova, the AI tool we are using to make the animation for the website. And trust me, by the end you will see it does way more than making a clip. So here's the plan for our website. In here we are building a portfolio site for a creative studio. It needs a hero character and we're going to design that, animate that, and even reuse that later, all inside Flova. Then Claude Fable 5 builds the actual website. So now let's start with the character. Before that, let me quickly sketch the site so that you can see the plan. So here at the top will be the hero section, the character and the studio name, and at the bottom there will be a CTA button and then the selected workspace. After that the big text statement and then the journals, and at the last will be the footer, and at the right side will be a small CTA button again. And here's why you should always sketch first, because Claude Fable 5 is an expensive and premium model. It costs more credits than any other AI models. So if you plan it out first, you make fewer mistakes and you don't have to burn the credits fixing them later. So always plan first and build a clean website. And now let's move to Flova. The thing that makes Flova different is that it's a full AI video agent, and while I don't have to fill out forms, I just talk to it, and when I'm not sure what I want, I can literally ask to brainstorm with me. And now let me give this exact command. And again, I'm saying here, all of the commands in here I'm using to make this website are given in the description, and you can get that completely for free. And if you're wondering how you can get that, you simply have to follow the link which is given in the description, and you'll come to this exact school community, the Hello AI free. And here after joining to the community, just go to the community tab and then go to the YouTube resources, and they'll get all of my shared templates, workflows, prompts. So for today's video, just go to this exact post and here you'll get a PDF. Just open that. So let me copy the first prompt which will be used to brainstorm the visual style, just like this. And now I'll go back to the Flova AI and here I'll just paste that, and then I'll go with generate. So as you can see, it acting like a creative partner, not like a average chatbot. It gave me a few directions and I'm going with the risograph, and it's highly recommending that, and that will be bold, limited color, grainy print look, and it will really stands out because it's not like the same 3D character everyone else using in their websites, and it's going to pop on the screen very well. So now let's design the character in that style. Inside Flova, you get top image and video models like Cadence 2.0, GPT Image 2, all in one single place. And you can mix them and match them. For the character, I'll try a couple of models so that I can pick the best one. And for that, I'll use this exact generate the character prompt. I'll just copy that. I'll just paste that inside the Flova, just like this. And now I'll go with generate. So as you can see, I just generated one, and then I say that to try a different model to generate another image but for the same prompt, so I can compare and hear the agents doing the trial and error for me, so I can easily pick the winner. After a bit of back and forth with Flova handles in the same chat, this is our final character. Clean risograph look, right colors, just like we wanted. Now here's the important part, and this is what makes Flova different from normal generator. Before I animate this, I'm going to save that as an element, and think of an element like a locked in version of your character, its face, outfit, the whole style, everything will be saved. So every time I use this again in another animation or in another website hero section or in a social media post, it will stay exactly the same without even slightly different face. So I have to just save that once and it will stay consistent forever. And to save that, all I have to do, I have to go with this store to asset, and then I'll go with save. As you can see, I just did that, and now let's bring him to life. To animate, I'll use the Cadence 2.0 on the character we just saved. And if you don't know about the Cadence 2.0, it's one of the best video models out there for image to video generation. And for the website, I want subtle loopable motions, so it works as a background, nice and smooth. So for that, in here I'll use this exact command, which is the animate the character. I'll just copy that. And by the way, if you're thinking, well, I'm not reading the prompts in here because I don't want to waste the time of yours, And as you can see, the prompts are in front of you, and also I've given the prompts to you. You can just see that by yourself. So I'm just copying and I'm just pasting that in here. And now let's go with generate. And if I want to change something like slower motion or different framing, I don't have to start everything from the beginning. Instead, I'll just say in the chat and it will redo that shot. That's the control you will get with an agent instead of a one-shot generator. So here's our animated character. High enough quality to use straight away, no upscaling needed. Now let's save our workflow before we move on. One more thing about Flova, and I think that is very useful especially for creators, and that is I can save this whole way as a working skill, and a skill saves your entire workflow, like which model you used, how your prompts are structured, your animation settings, your shot logic. So the next project, Flova already works your way and you don't need to set up everything from the beginning again. And here's the part I love for beginners. Flova has a ready-made skill library where all of the workflows built by pro creators. So if you're just starting and you don't know how to set up anything, you just grab one of the skills and you are starting from a proven workflow instead of a blank page. So okay, now let's move to the website building. For the website, as you can see, we're in the common place, the Claude code inside the Claude desktop app, and here I'm using the Claude Fable 5 and let it build the structure first. So for that, I'll use this exec command. I'll copy that and then in here I'll just paste that. After that, let me go with send. So after some minutes, here you can see we got this beautiful skeleton, and now let's drop in the animation we just made as the hero background. So for that, I'll upload the exact video, and after that I'll give this prompt, copy, and then I'll go back to the Claude code, I'll paste that, and with the video I'll go with send. And there's our character living in the hero exactly like I sketched it. Now let me make it responsive and also polished with another command. For that, I'll go to the command box. I'll just copy the Claude code prompt 3 and then I'll go back to the Claude code, and here exactly I'll paste that. And now I'll go with send. And also I did some more edits like the hover effects, section animations, and the mobile sketching. And finally, as you can see, the site is done. So just take a look at this beautiful website for some seconds and we'll be back. The website is beautifully done, but I'm not finished with Flova. Remember that character we saved as an element inside Flova, and for that I'm going back to Flova and I'm going to make a short brand tracer for that studio, like a quick promo clip by using the exact same character. And because it's saved as an element in here, I have the skills too, so I don't have to start everything from the beginning again. I'll use this exact command in here. I'll just copy. So basically in here I say that to make me a brand razor by using the sequence 2.0, and the duration will be 6 seconds. Okay, I'll just paste that in this exact place, and now I'll go with generate. So look at this, the same character, exact same face and style, but now it's a totally different clip. And I can post that on social media platforms and it will work as a marketing for my brand, like how easy it is. So that's everything, a premium animated portfolio site plus a matching social clip, all built with the same AI character. The animation and everything around it came from Flova AI, and to make the website in here we used Claude Fable 5. So Flova is the sponsors of today's video, so that's why from them for you guys have a small gift. I'd given the link of Flova AI in the description. If you follow that link to sign up for Flova, you'll get 100 credits instantly, and plus another 200 credits. It's mean total 300 credits to explore the platform, and the link is in the description and also in the pinned comment. So that's the whole video guys. I hope this video helped you. If yes, then please drop a like, and if you're new in this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and as like always, see you with a new video. Till then, peace.